My name's Daniel Freeman. I'm a director of Freeman Catering Butchers. We are based in Gateshead, Team Valley, and been here for the last 2 years. We are running vans throughout the North East and North Yorkshire, supplying local produce to hospitals, restaurants and nursing homes.
My name is Joe Dixon and it's JD Joinery and Building. We're general builders, mainly dealing in loft conversions, extension and revite work.
My name's Matt Jenkinson, I'm 24. We work for Damtech, based on the Business Innovation Centre in Sunderland.
Damtech offer IT support to small and medium-sized businesses. We do everything from minor repairs right up to bespoke software, web design and everything in between, networking.
The organisation is 50 years old. I'm the third generation. My grandfather, then to my father, and then obviously myself and my brother, who are running the company at present.
We were in retail until about the 1980s, 1990s, where my brother and I changed the business into more manufacturing of meat, and we started to go into the catering side of the meat business. Our father was wanting us to succeed in business, and he, give us the intuition to do different things.
Both myself and Matthew, D&M, I was made redundant. I worked for a law firm for 9 years, and at the time Matthew was just finishing university, so we thought teaming up together would be the perfect mix with my expertise and background and Matt's obviously educational background. We thought would have the complete solution for everyone.
At the moment I've got 28 lads on. There's 16 employees and the others are subbies who've been with us 3-4 years, pretty much loyal, who are with us all the time. So that's them at the moment. I did have 48 guys on before Christmas. Stupid, too much, out of control. Brought it back down again and trying to get it controlled again and get it back to sort of some kind of manageable system. Luckily what we've managed to gain a very good reputation, so we do get lots of work.
The new direction of our company over the next sort of 3 or 4 years is we are now taking on NHS contracts. We've just been certified by their quality assurance body, and we now can supply hospitals throughout the country. We're going down as far as Leeds now, up as far as Edinburgh. What we do as one of our major services is local produce to the NHS, to universities, schools. So, it seems to be the key word in the meat industry at the moment, this local produce.
Most customers are businesses. We do have some homes, small businesses primarily, no more than probably about 10 people in the business. Company-wise, it's a mix. We've got some contractors, we've got some builders, we've got some design companies, some multi-site companies. So it's a really broad mix of what we cover. They choose us because of the personality, I think, that we offer. We're not just an IT company, there's a personality with it as well, which a lot of people like, and a lot of people have commented on that works well. So,
NAC was introduced to me by a company called GR Hollands. They spoke to me about this company, and it was something that I was very interested in looking into, something that would streamline our company really.
NAC were the first point of contact, got us up and running and realised that yes, the business was floundering. Like most builders, what we want to just concentrate on is going out there, pricing work and getting work and doing the work. We don't want to do the things called running a business. And yeah, a lot of stuff needed to be sorted out and still does need to be sorted out.
NAC offer, it's more of a business planning and looking forward to where we're going to go and putting procedures and things into place, which we maybe don't need now as such a small company, but when we grow, it's better to have them now, so then they're in place for the future.
NAC comes in normally once every 2 weeks and kind of inspired us to work with some charities, and we thought we could kind of tie that in. So we have connections with some local charity shops. So when a company needs to get rid of their computers, they need wiping, so clear them off so nothing's on them. But then we kind of clear them up, put some basic operating system on there and pass them up to a charity shop. Then they can sell them on for profit. We feel like we're doing our bit for charity, and they're making some money, so it's great.
They've looked at our business as a whole. Firstly, they come on in and seen the setup of what we actually had. They started in the offices first, looking to streamline what we can do in there. Then they moved out onto the factory floor, looking at putting new procedures in and working to make the flow of the factory work a little bit better. Then they moved on to our logistics side of it, working with our transport manager, and then looking at streamlining that, see where we can make efficient savings and to see if the company can be able to move forward.
It's something as simple as, this might sound silly, timesheets, mileage sheets, job sheets, sort of scope of works, just put systems in place for costings, suppliers costings, and there is, I've got lots of things there on the computer which I actually use on a daily basis, several times a day, and it's great because I'm realising, prime example when I'm talking about mileage sheets, looking at the sheets the other week, why is this van doing this mileage? I wouldn't have done that beforehand if I hadn't have just let the vans get on there, you know. So it's things as simplistic as that what she's actually done and steered me in the right direction.
Moving from a smaller premises into a larger one wasn't really the flow that we were looking for. We understood this as a company that will have to move into this venture, but they've had a look at it, drawn everything right the way back to the hardwood, and then started fresh. And yeah, they put some new procedures, some new systems in there that we still carry out today. And I would have said that they would have been probably at the forefront of us gaining National Catering Butcher of the Year.
What is set up for us is a beef cost analysis system. So we will purchase from local farms. For instance, say we will purchase 10 sides of beef, which will come into our factory, will be weighed, and it'll be put then onto an analysis sheet through our computers. It gives me the yields of product that we purchase. It gives us the calculations on what percentages have been made from different cuts and also from different specifications. It gives us the better pricing and the better percentages of profit from that system that I put in.
I haven't changed the projects, I've changed the way I'm looking at them. Rather than thinking of getting out there and doing the job, I'm looking at margins more. Looking at how we're going to run the job, I'm keeping more an eye on costings. Looking at the systems and the ways of how we go about actually doing a job. I'm keeping a tighter rein on that as well.
We had a calendar, but we weren't checking it. So now we've got like a board on the wall and things that we write on and fill in, and it's much better.
I've heard about this lean construction, and I am very much into my sustainability, and I know that's the way we've got to go. I see that in a year's time that the business is stabilised and the word margins are getting better. I'm feeling a bit more comfortable, lads work secure and having ready to grow again, and that's what I'm wanting to do, you see. So we'll get it right at the smaller end, not like it is, get it right and then grow with supervisor in place, with me having the right systems in place, admin behind us, and then the business will grow from there.
From January this year, we've absolutely snowballed. We've got a lot of work coming in, more productive work, bigger stuff happening. We're doing network and more now, and it seems to be that we're getting there.
Definitely recommend NAC to small businesses, especially businesses that are wanting to grow, because I think growth without their help would have been a completely different route for us, and probably was the wrong one.
I would say it's a definite, even if somebody thinks that they've got things in place, but I've sort of talked about NAC to the things what they've done for me and to other types of businesses, and they thought, oh, I never thought of that, oh, never thought of that. So yes, it's a good one for somebody to come in and look at your business and maybe give it a bit of an overhaul and realise what's going on.
NAC is a professional outfit, and if a company wanted to work with them, I'll highly recommend them.